Good morning and welcome to the daily pre-market update. The DSEX remained flat again today, marginally gaining 9.43 points or 0.18% and settled at 5,194 points. Market turnover was 3.24 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 5.55% compared to the previous trading day. Trade deficit narrows in July to November. Bangladesh's trade deficit dropped by 20% or 1.97 billion United States dollars in the first 5 months of FY25 compared to the same period last fiscal year, standing at 7.88 billion United States dollars, down from 9.85 billion United States dollars. The narrowing deficit is attributed to a 10.1% rise in export earnings to 18.12 billion United States dollars and a 1.2% decline in import costs to 26.01 billion United States dollars. Supported by rising remittance inflows, this has improved the country's balance of payments, reducing the current account deficit to 226 million United States dollars during the July to November period. Reserves dropped to 20 billion United States dollars after ACU payment. Bangladesh's foreign exchange reserves dropped to 20 billion United States dollars from 21.67 billion United States dollars after settling 1.67 billion United States dollars in regional import bills through the Asian Clearing Union, ACU. The ACU, headquartered in Tehran, facilitates payment settlements among 9 member countries, including Bangladesh, India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka. Under this mechanism, Bangladesh clears import bills every 2 months, leading to a temporary dip in reserves. As of January 8, the reserve stood at 21.67 billion United States dollars, calculated per the IMF's BPM6 manual. DSE outlines major reforms, including tax rebate, exposure limits. The Dhaka Stock Exchange, DSE, plans to collaborate with government authorities to implement initiatives aimed at developing the capital market, including introducing a market-friendly tax policy and setting stock investment exposure limits for financial institutions. DSE Chairman Mamunul Islam, at a press conference, outlined measures to restore investor confidence through improved accountability and transparency. He acknowledged that past irregularities have damaged trust in the market, but emphasized the board's commitment to rebuilding it. The event was attended by key stakeholders, including representatives from the Chittagong Stock Exchange and DSE Brokers Association. Shareholder Director Minhaj Manan Emin urged the government to investigate past misconduct to guide corrective actions and support the market's revival. Prone to invest 600 crore Bangladeshi takas more in poultry portfolio by 2027, local agro-processing giant Prawn plans to invest 600 crore Bangladeshi takas over the next 2 years in its poultry business to meet rising demand for eggs and chicken. This includes 400 crore Bangladeshi takas for advanced egg farms in Noakhali, Shariatpur, Chittagong, and Mymensingh, with a combined daily production capacity of 20 lakh eggs, and 200 crore Bangladeshi takas for breeder and broiler farms. The breeder farm is expected to begin chick production this year, while broiler operations for meat production are slated for next year. Prawn's current farm in Habaganj produces 5 lakh eggs daily. That's all for today. Thank you.